Question is, are there multiple ways to heaven? Jesus is the only way to heaven, and surrendering to Him as your Lord and personal Savior, and He'll transform you. This is my short version. Of my testimony, I visited 9 different churches. Till my 8th church, I learned the word Sabbath. Now I was thinking continuing, going my 8th, but the destination was far. So my mom and I got curious, the word Sabbath keep popping up. Something telling me Google it, so I Googled church and Sabbath, it direct me to this abode building. However, look, abandonment due COVID-19 happened. This was 2022. Then I Google the next list, lead me here to my 9th church. Fast forward for learn so much about the Sabbath. Then I asked myself why or how come we didn't know we needed to practice Sabbath. Or how come none of these churches I visits practice? Do not think that I have come to abolish the law or the prophets. I have not come to abolish them but to fulfill them. Matthew 5:17. For truly I tell you, until heaven and earth disappear, not the smallest letter, not the least stroke of a pen will by any means disappear from the law until everything is accomplished. Means God law. Green light. John 14:15, if you love me, keep my command. And Matthew 19:16 to 18, Jesus said to get eternal life, keep the commandments. How do we love God? Keep the 10 commandments that He originally made. What is number 4 in the 10 commandments? Remember the Sabbath, keep it holy. By the way, a lot of people misunderstood what Paul meant. Colossians 2:16, he didn't say don't celebrate. He said not to judge people. And again, Romans 14:5, if you keep reading all the way, Romans 14:23, it says everything does not come from faith, it's sin. Understand in Revelation, which is in the end of the book, mentioned Revelation 3:10, bless those who keep His commands. Why we didn't know? Revelation 2-6, Nicolaitan, group high leaders, few hiding behind control puppets to separate you from God. How odd, all this distraction. But why? Maybe mark of the beast. The main point is have faith in Jesus, but also have faith on what He says.